This is the final video to solve input problems on your device. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways but finally found multiple methods to solve input problems on your device, and I am going to share them with you. First, let's address physical connections. Many input issues stem from loose or damaged cables. Your device relies on a stable electrical connection, so a wobbly USB cable or a corroded port can cause intermittent signal loss, leading to unresponsive keys or erratic mouse movements. Inspecting and reseating these connections ensures a clean, uninterrupted data flow between your input device and the system, often resolving the problem instantly. Next, we look at driver management. Drivers are essential software interfaces that allow your operating system to communicate with hardware. Outdated, corrupted, or incompatible drivers can misinterpret signals from your input device, causing it to malfunction. Updating or reinstalling these drivers provides a fresh, correct set of instructions, restoring proper communication and functionality. This ensures the OS understands the device's inputs correctly. Thirdly, system troubleshooting is crucial. Modern operating systems include built-in diagnostic tools designed to identify and often automatically repair common hardware and software conflicts. Running these troubleshooters allows the system to scan for known issues, check for underlying software glitches, and apply patches or configuration changes that might be preventing your input device from working as expected. These tools can pinpoint deeper system-level problems. Finally, adjusting input settings is often overlooked. Sometimes, the device itself isn't broken, but its operational parameters are misconfigured. Settings like debounce time, sensitivity, or accessibility options such as filter keys can inadvertently block or delay inputs. Correcting these settings ensures the device registers your actions with the intended precision and responsiveness, aligning its behavior with your needs rather than fighting against them.